Hi friends, it's Mrs. DeAngelis. I'm here with our poem of the week. You might be able to give a connection if you've heard this poem before. There's numbers in it and there's a lot of rhymes in it. So I'm going to read it to you and I'm going to point as I read. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So we have our numbers from 1 to 10. I'm going to say a word and you tell me the word that rhymes. What rhymes with to shoe? Good job. 4, door. What rhymes with 6, sticks? 8, straight. And 10, hen. Very good job. Now I'm going to give you a word in our poem and you tell me the first sound you hear. What's the first sound in buckle? B. The first sound in door? D. The first sound in pick? P. And the first sound in big? B. Now, when this video is over, I want you to go over here and watch the video of 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Have a great day.